So for today, I'll be showing you how to connect your controller to Netflix games. So you need currently to use your mobile phone or tablet as your controller, and as Netflix does not directly support connecting a separate controller to your TV, simply open the Netflix app on your mobile device and then select the game you want to play, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your phone as the controller by scanning a QR code displayed on the TV. Here are the key points to remember. There are no direct controller support, that Netflix games on TV currently only work with your mobile device acting as a controller. And in pairing process, when you select a game on your TV, the screen will prompt you to scan a QR code with your phone to connect it as your controller. And Netflix app requires to have Netflix app installed on your mobile device to use it as your controller for you to able to play the game. And that's how you connect your controller to your Netflix games.